everyone, and welcome back to your video lesson of the week with famous pop stars. Today we have two talented and famous artists that I'm sure you will know. Number one, Beyonce, and number two, Bruno Mars. Let's start with Beyonce. Beyonce Knowles is a multi-platinum Grammy award-winning recording artist who's acclaimed for her thrilling voice, videos and live shows. But who is Beyonce Knowles? Beyonce Knowles first captured the public eye as lead vocalist of the R&B group Destiny's Child. She later established a solo career with her debut album, Dangerously in Love, becoming one of music's top-selling artists with sold-out tours and many awards. Beyonce also starred in several films, including the film Dreamgirls. She married the hip-hop recording artist Jay-Z in 2008. And the couple has 3 children. Let's talk about her early life. Singer and actress Beyonce Giselle Knowles was born on September the 4th in 1981 in Houston, Texas, the United States. She started singing at an early age, competing in local shows and winning many of these events by impressing the audience with her singing and dancing abilities. Our second mega pop star is Bruno Mars. Bruno is a Grammy-winning singer and songwriter known for such hits as, maybe you know them, Nothing on You or Just the Way You Are, Locked Out of Heaven, Uptown Funk, and That's What I Like. But who is Bruno Mars? Singer-songwriter Bruno Mars was born on October the 8th, 1985 in Honolulu, Hawaii. By the early 2000s, he began to find success by writing songs for popular artists, including Kana's Waving Flag. After several years as one of pop music's premier songwriters, Mars broke out as a singer in his own right with the 2010 Nothing Like You. Let's talk about his early life. He was born Peter Jean Hernandez on October the 8th, 1985 in Honolulu, Hawaii. Popular singer-songwriter grew up in a very musical family. His father, Pete, was a Latin percussionist from Brooklyn, and his mother, Bernadette or Bernie, was a singer. Mars received his nickname Bruno while he was still a baby. The name Bruno became from baby times. Old sister Jamie explained, Bruno was always so confident, independent, really strong-willed and kind. Hence the name Bruno, and it just stuck to him. Well, this is all for today. Your video lesson of the week. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would like you to tell me who is your favorite artist, Beyonce or Bruno Mars. Tell us all about it on our YouTube channel. Bye!